Firstly, we will need this almond milk. These are easy available in Amazon, and this is of coffee flavor. You can take any other flavor, and you can also make almond milk in your home. Sometimes I also prepare almond milk in my home, so if you want the recipe I can share with you. But homemade almond milks are quite difficult to store, and we can easily store it, so I feel like these are easy to use. If you are vegan, you can also add this into your, as it is from almond, so this is perfect for your vegan diet. This is the first thing to make this coffee. After that, we need some coffee bean. Basically I usually love to have coffee beans, and from that I make filtered coffee. But if you don't have your option, you can use your regular coffee, those instant coffee ones. But these coffee beans taste really very nice and give a very aromatic flavor, which I really love. I have picked up this from Starbucks, but you can also buy it from online. So there is a small process to get the filtered coffee from this coffee beans, and I am also going to share with you the process how to get filtered coffee from these coffee beans. All we need a tool. This is called coffee filter. We have two sections, like after opening this you will get this kind of thing, and after that here is a container which is kind of strainer, and here is the bottom part. So all we need to do is we will grind these coffee beans. We'll put these into this container, and we'll put this, just give to some pressure into this like that way, and we will fill it up with hot water, and we will keep it aside like this. So if you want to make it a bit strong in flavor, then you can double filter it, which I usually like. But other than that, you can also make it in single filter. But if you want to avoid all this process, you can obviously use the instant coffee also. And the last ingredient is this coconut sugar, which I also bought from Amazon. You can also buy from any brand, but these are quite good. I usually take this as a sugar replacement whenever I feel like I do not have much sugar cravings, but sometimes if I feel like I use to take this. So if you are into a proper diet, you can definitely try this out. These are natural, and the sugar level in these coconut sugar is quite low, so these can be used as sugar replacement. But I generally do not add coconut sugar regularly into my coffee. I used to take this like that only. But if you want a bit of sugar into that, so you can obviously add this. So now let's make it. So firstly we will grind some coffee beans. So this much will work nice, and we do not make it a smooth powder or smooth dust. We will make it a coarse one, so we can get nice flavor from this. So I will grind this out right now. Now after rounding it, how it looks like now, and we will add 2 tablespoons of this coffee, and now we will put this like this way, and we will add hot water into it. And now we will put this lid, and we will keep aside for good half an hour. So it's almost 30 minutes now, and as you can see, the coffee liquor is quite dark. So now it's time to assemble everything out. So firstly we will take our coffee mug, and into this we will pour our coffee liquor. And here is our warm almond milk. I haven't boiled it up, but I have just warmed it up. I have microwaved it for 1 minute, and now I will add it into this coffee. And finally I am adding this 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar. You can add according to your taste only, and I will give a good mix. So yeah, this dairy free, lactose free, gluten free coffee is ready to take. This is so yummy and so energetic, and you all know how caffeine is important in our life to energize ourselves. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and stay healthy. And now let me enjoy my coffee. Bye.